Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll cover chapter 3, topic is give and take part 7 from class 3 Mathematics NCERT book. You can also watch the starting chapters and part 1 to 6 of this topic using the links given in the description. So let's start with our video. In previous video we have seen some word problems and those word problems were solved using the additions. And now in this video we'll see few more example of additions. So first example here is we want to add 345 and 52 together. Now the way this question is written here is difficult to solve in this way. So first we'll write it as an addition problem. How to write it as an addition problem? Here is the addition problem. And what we did, if you look at or you observe this number carefully, this 5 and 2, these are ones place digit. Let me explain in better way. So this is ones, tens and hundreds. So 5 is at ones place, this 4 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place. So these are the ones, tens and hundreds place digit. So while we are making this problem as an addition problem, we have to write numbers in correct places. Then only it will give us the correct answers, right? So what we did here, this 5 and 2 will be written together, this 5 and this 2. This 4 and this 5 will be written under tens place. 4 and 5 is written under tens place. Under hundreds place we have written 3. Now it is ready to solve. We can start solving from right side. This is the only way we should start from right hand side only. And 5 plus 2 if you add, it will give us 7. I'll directly show you the answer. It is straightforward. 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 and nothing is there. Because if you look at second number, it is 52 and no number is at hundreds place. This is ones place digit, this is tens place digit and only 2 digits are there, right, in this number. So 3 plus 0 will give us 3. So answer to this question is 397. Similarly, you can write other questions. So 492, ones place, 2 and 9. So these 2 and 9 written here. This 9 and 2 is written from tens place digit and hundred place digit we have only 4. Same way we will write, and if you solve this, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 is a carryover, 9 plus 2 11 and 1 it is 12. Again you get 1 carryover, so 4 plus 1 will give us 5. What is this carryover? I'll just explain this question so you have more idea how to add the question using carry. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So this 1 will take only ones place digit and write over here. This 1 will move to as a carry to next place digit. So this is 10th place digits. Now we have to add this carry along with other 2 digits or other 2 numbers. So we'll add 9 plus 1, it will give us 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So we'll get 2 here. But total number we got 12, so we wrote 2 here and this 1 will be moved as a carry over to hundreds place digit. So 4 plus 1 give us 5. So that's how we get the answer. Similarly, you can solve other questions. It is easy and can be added in similar way as we have added first 2. So try to add this together. If you don't get the correct answer, rewind the video and watch how the first 2 questions was done. Let's move to the next questions. Here again it is more addition problems. Here are 5 questions. I have directly show the answer to all these questions. Now we'll take 2 examples. First this one and I will explain this one as well. Rest you try on your own. If you look at this question, here if you add 4 and 6 together, it will give us 10. So this 0 is written over here and this 1 is moved as a carryover to next place digit. So this one is our carryover. Now we have to add all the 3 digits given in this column. So 1 plus 0 is 1, again 1 plus 0 is 1. So we got 1 here. 4 plus 3 is 7. So that's how we got 710. If you look at this example, 4 plus 6, sorry, this is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 will give us 6. 8 plus 3 will give us 11. So that's why we got one carry over here, because after adding these digits at tens place, 8 plus 3 we got 11. So this one is moved to, we picked 1 and written over here, and this one will move as a carry over to next place digit. So we have to add 6 plus 1 plus 2. It will give us 9. That's how we have to solve these questions. Let's see other examples. Oh, here is very interesting exercise. We'll explain what is written over here. Work out 4 different ways to write the numbers. If you add all the numbers in the first box, you will always get 59. So this is your first box, and if you add all these numbers, we get 59. 50 plus 9 will give us 59. 30 plus 29 will also give us 59. 19 plus 40 will also give us 59. 59 plus 0 is 59. So what we did here, we split it 59 into two smaller numbers, 50 and 9. Here 30 and 29. And similarly we have to split these numbers at top in each box. Okay. And whatever number you write here, those two numbers if you add together, we should get this number. So if here it is 68, if you add 100 here, 100 plus 68 will give us 168. So how to solve this kind of questions? I'll give you one example. Let's say we have 168. So you pick any number which is below than 168 and subtract that number from given number. So what we are trying to do, we are picking 68 as an example, and if you pick 68 and you subtract that number in 168, then what you will get? 8 minus 8 will give us 0, 6 minus 6 will give us 0, and 1 minus 0 will give us 1. So overall we'll get 100. So what happened here? I'll just fill out all the numbers, all the examples, and I will pick few examples to explain the question. So if you look at this problem, what we did, we picked 68 and subtract 68 from 168, and we got the third number. So to explain it in a better way, we will pick very small example. So let's say we want to split 10 into two numbers. So if you pick 7, you just have to add 1, 2, 3 and you will get your number, right? So you will get 7. So 10 can be split in 7 plus 3, right? If you pick 5, you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 can be written as 10, right? So this way you can split any bigger number as well. I just took small examples so that it is more easy to understand, but same approach is applicable for bigger number as well. So if this is not clear, because it is little tricky, you can again rewind this video and check out how we have shown the problem for 168, right? Let's move to the next questions. Here we have given this triangle. This is also very interesting exercise, and we have to fill numbers from 1 to 6. You can repeat number or whatever way you want to fill, but each side should give us sum of 12. So this is our task. So if you start with 5 and if you fill next number as 6, 6 plus 5 will give us 11. 11 plus 1 will give us 12. So this side sum is 12. Now we already got 5. If you fill another number, so let's say if you fill 4, so 5 plus 4 give us 9 and 9 plus 3 give us 12. So if you add all these three digits, we are getting 12. Again 1 and 3 is 4. So we already have 4 and we want to fill some number here. So after 4 you can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are 8 lines. So here you can fill 8. So this is the one way to fill the triangles, and we got sum of each side as 12. You can fill with different number, still you can get 12. So this is the interesting exercise. Now here we end our video.